5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! Ah! Oh.
What do you think?
I don't have words right now. Jesus Christ.
This is quite a big jump this way, you know.
Oh my god. Not ready.
Nabila, you're making all the right noises in the car for the video. Axel's going to be really happy with the content.
I miss driving. Oh my god, I feel sick.
Don't be sick.
I'm not actually going to be sick, don't worry.
There's a fine, $10,000. Maybe that's a good plan, actually. Maybe I should do that. See if I can make people sick.
Please don't, like, actively try. Oh, God. Oh. So the last time I was in my R5, I put it on its roof, so...
That's always a good thing to say mid-run.
Yeah. Jesus.
A little bit slippy around there.
I mean, at least it was slow.
Sorry?
Oh.
I do like going sideways down here. It's an easy one.
That was a big tree.
Good?
I feel a bit sick.
Come on. You can't say that. You're a rally driver.
Well, I sit on that side of the car, not this side.
Okay, okay. I'll let you off.
This